Hey, what's up guys, this is Prakhar from Analyzing Arya and let's see आज क्या नया है।
Welcome to our Tech Info series, in which we tell you the latest happenings in the tech world. YouTube's new display format includes Indian numbering. This new feature is likely still in an experimental stage, as ये बहुत ज़्यादा devices में available नहीं है. In fact, ये मेरी device में भी available नहीं है, neither on the website or on the Android app. Although मेरे कुछ friends को ये feature मिल गया है. इस न्यू फीचर में आपको YouTube का व्यू काउंट इंडियन नंबरिंग सिस्टम में दिखाई देगा in units like lakhs and crores rather than in millions and billions. न्यू फॉर्मेट के हिसाब से 1.5 मिलियन की जगह 15 lakhs व्यूज में दिखाई देगा. While videos with 500,000 views will be displayed as 5 lakhs instead of 500k. And obviously ये globally apply नहीं होगा. ये सिर्फ इंडिया में अप्लाई होगा and possibly in other South Asian countries like Bangladesh and Pakistan that also use the same system. अगर आपको ये न्यू फीचर YouTube के नए ऐप अपडेट में मिल गया है, so please let us know whether you like it or not in the comment section below. Will the e-commerce services resume complete operations? If yes, then from when? आपको पता ही होगा that when the 21 days lockdown was imposed in India, which was last month on the 24th March, Amazon और Flipkart जैसी ई-कॉमर्स साइट्स को अपनी सर्विसेज टेम्पररी सस्पेंड करनी पड़ी थी, फॉलोड बाय रिज्यूमिंग डिलीवरी फॉर इसेंशियल्स. लेकिन अब गवर्नमेंट की न्यू गाइडलाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग ई-कॉमर्स साइट्स फिर से नॉर्मली फंक्शन कर सकती हैं विदाउट एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस एट ऑल. That is from April 20th. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस ने कहा कि जो व्हीकल्स ई कॉमर्स साइट यूज करती हैं टू डिलीवर देयर प्रोडक्ट्स विल नाउ बी अलाउड टू अप्लाई विद नेसेसरी परमिशंस. What happened to the Realme Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A? Well, as you might already know, the Narzo 10 series was initially set to make its debut on 26 March in India, but the event was postponed due to the countrywide lockdown. आपको बता दूं that the Narzo 10 and 10A are expected to be rebranded version of the Indonesian variant of Realme 6i and Realme C3, but with a few changes here and there. The Narzo 10 will feature a 6.5-inch HD plus LCD display, a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel mono lens. इसमें आपको 5000 mAh बैटरी भी मिलेगी. On the other hand, the Narzo 10A will bring nothing new to the table except for a small changes in the rear system in comparison to the Realme C3. You get all the same specs including a 6.5-inch HD plus display, Helio G70 chipset, a 5000 mAh battery. इसमें आपको unlike the C3 एक extra 2 megapixel macro lens मिलेगा. Now talking about exactly what happened to the series, Realme CEO India Madhav Seth ने न्यू लॉन्च डेट अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पे शेयर की एंड टोल्ड कि द नार्जो सीरीज विल फाइनली बी अनाउंस्ड ऑन 21st April at 12:30 PM. The new mid-range OnePlus smartphone. As you might already know, the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro are now official. Links to those videos in the description box below. लेकिन एक न्यू मिड रेंज OnePlus स्मार्टफोन के बारे में भी हम काफ़ी टाइम से सुन रहे हैं. कंपनी की लास्ट मिड रेंज डिवाइस थी the OnePlus X, which was back in 2015. So this new device actually means a lot to the fans, especially after the price revealing of the OnePlus 8 series. And the device is named OnePlus Z. OnePlus Z में आपको MediaTek प्रोसेसर मिलेगा and a 90 Hz display. प्रीवियस रूमर्स की अगर माने तो इसमें MediaTek Dimensity 800 या Dimensity 1000 चिपसेट होगा, which means this phone could have 5G as well, just like the OnePlus 8 series. Other specs include an in-display fingerprint sensor, 8 GB of RAM, 128 or 256 gigs of storage, a 4000 mAh battery with 30 watts charging. And OnePlus Z में ट्रिपल कैमरा सेटअप एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है with a 48 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel setup. And OnePlus Z की प्राइसिंग $250 के अराउंड एक्सपेक्ट की जा रही है. लॉन्च की अगर बात करें तो सीरियल लीकर स्टीव हीमरस्टॉफर claimed that the OnePlus Z has been delayed to a summer launch window at the very least. Hemmerstoffer said this was due to the coronavirus pandemic. However, fellow tipster Isan Agrawal previously claimed that the device would launch in most regions by July. अब exactly ये device कब launch होगी उसके लिए हमें वेट करना होगा for further leaks और official launch date. Huawei confirms the new Xiaomi band and a new Amazfit wearable. Earlier this year, we had rumors that a Mi Band 4 successor would launch this June. Now a subsidiary confirmed in a post on Weibo that the Mi Band 5 will definitely see a 2020 release. कंपनी ने ये भी कंफर्म किया कि Amazfit लाइन में भी एक न्यू एडिशन ऐड होगा, which would be the Amazfit Aries. The Amazfit Aries would look somewhere between the Amazfit T-Rex and the Amazfit GTS or BPS. As far as the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is concerned, Huawei ने उसके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बताने से मना कर दिया. But what we know is that the fitness tracker will have a 1.2-inch AMOLED display, NFC support, and a 179 yuan price tag, which roughly converts into 1900 rupees. After the ban of Zoom in Singapore, Indian government asks user to disable these settings. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते ही होंगे, Zoom is banned by Google, UK's Ministry of Defense, Singapore's Ministry of Education, Siemens, and Standard Chartered Bank. The video chatting service is now under the fire of Indian government. The Economic Times and other multiple news outlets के मुताबिक इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने Zoom को अनसेफ डिक्लेयर कर दिया है. All ministers and other staff members have been asked to refrain from using the platform for official video conferencing purposes. इंडियन अथॉरिटीज ने Zoom यूजर्स को कुछ गाइडलाइंस फॉलो करने को कहा है. These include creating a password for all meetings, ज्वाइन फीचर को पहले से ही डिसेबल करना, फाइल ट्रांसफर्स को रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना, मीटिंग को लॉक करना एंड मोर. आपको बता दूं, इन गाइडलाइंस में से ज्यादातर Zoom के न्यू सिक्योरिटी अपडेट में आ गई हैं, बट स्टिल I personally feel that it is an unsafe platform even now. And that's it for today, guys.
If you liked our content, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to Stay Tuned, and thanks for watching. Peace.